SmoothTool. The Cobot welding solution for universal robots integrates the precision in repeatability of robotics with the flexibility in craftsmanship of manual welding. At its core lies an intuitive and user-friendly, no-code software that empowers welders and operators to effortlessly create complex welding paths without the need for extensive programming knowledge. This simplicity is further enhanced by a user-friendly programming flange, which facilitates hands-on movement of the robot in point-by-point teaching of the welding trajectory. Cobot welding with SmoothTool is not just about automation, it's about empowerment. It empowers welders to focus on their craft, leveraging their expertise to train and guide the Cobot, creating a synergistic partnership that elevates welding to new heights. SmoothTool is a highly versatile welding software that can integrate with a wide range of welding power sources. It comes with a comprehensive list of pre-integrated power sources that offer advanced features, such as the ability to dynamically adjust welding parameters throughout the welding program. If you're performing routine welding tasks, are you sure you can afford to continue with traditional manual methods? Embrace the future of welding with Cobot welding in SmoothTool. Contact Smooth Robotics today to learn more